What you know about rolling down in the deep when you...
In our first step, we created a zipline system with a paperclip and toy soldier attached to a block for extra weight and speed. The zipline was activated by the flipping of the light switch, allowing for the finishing line to be steep enough angle to reach its intended destination, the beach ball. In this step, the beach ball rolls down the ramp. It knocks over a set of dominoes, which in turn pushes the tennis ball. The tennis ball is pushed down the tunneled ramp and into the toy car placed strategically in front. The tennis ball knocks the toy car down with the gnome down the barricaded ramp, increasing in acceleration until it finally reaches the book that has a needle attached to it. The book and needle are knocked over by the toy car and pop the balloon with the tennis racket atop it. The popping of the balloon drops the tennis racket onto the wooden stick. The wooden stick, which is atop the extension cord switch, gets pressure applied by the tennis racket and in turn activates the extension cord. The activation of the extension cord turns on the blow dryer, which has a ping pong ball placed on the air barrel. The air from the blow dryer projects the ping pong ball into the air and onto the step stool. The ball is guided by the blocks and into a cup with a layer of tissue paper containing baking soda. The tissue paper is knocked into the cup by the ball, accompanied by the baking soda into the cup of vinegar, leading to a chemical reaction.
Now it's time for the energy transformations. The first energy transformation is from the chemical energy in Shirley's hand to the kinetic energy in the movement on the zipline. The next transformation is the kinetic energy from the zipline being transferred to the beach ball. The beach ball then transfers the kinetic energy into the dominoes, knocking them over. The potential energy in the tennis ball is transferred to the kinetic energy as it rolls down the tunneled ramp into the toy car. The potential energy of the toy car is transferred into kinetic energy as the tennis ball hits it, causing it to roll down the ramp and into the book with a needle. The book with the needle receives kinetic energy from the car and transforms into kinetic energy as well. The needle pops the balloon, transforming the potential energy of the tennis racket on top into kinetic energy. As the tennis racket falls onto the wooden stick, it briefly transfers kinetic energy to the stick, allowing for the extension cord button to be pressed. The electrical energy from the activation of the extension cord turns on the blow dryer. The kinetic energy of the moving air from the blow dryer transforms into kinetic energy in the ping pong ball. The ping pong ball's kinetic energy is then transformed into chemical energy as it hits the surface of the tissue paper, activating the chemical reaction of the baking soda and the vinegar.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb, you can call that